What should I pick? DTF or DTG? This is a question we get a lot here at Imaging Spectrum. Today we will help you pick the best choice for your needs. We sell both styles of printers and much more for the printing industry. Give us a call today to fill your needs. Now, typically, your customer will dictate what style they want printed if they have had a large number of shirts printed in the past. The average business or person won't know which printing method they should use if they don't buy custom shirts on a regular basis. That is where you can let the design or shirt fabric determine what you should print. Here you can see we are printing on Summit DTF sheets from Imaging Spectrum Printing on the Epson SureColor F2270. We are printing on the default settings for DTF at this time in the Garment Creator software. A fair number of people will go with DTF over DTG because ink cost tends to be a few cents less per print. This is true due to the base white being able to be less dense than DTG for vibrancy. What you sacrifice, though, when you choose to use DTF all the time is the print longevity and breathability of the graphic. This is not just limited to a specific fabric type, ink type, or type of printer. This is for all DTF across the board. That is where DTG comes into play and why it should not be overlooked. The process is a little more than DTF if you are buying sheets of the same print. Sure, I'll give you that, but you get the equivalent of screen-printed longevity, feel, and a breathable print. As you can see here, we are printing the same graphic at the same scale as the DTF print with the default print quality from the Epson F2270 from Garment Creator. Now let's just touch on fabrics a little. 100% cotton and polyester for DTG will be where you get your best results for both materials. You can go down all the way to 60% on both of them, but that is where the over 40% of materials can cause issues for most people. You can still achieve a great print that lasts a long time and is breathable. What you may run into is spotting with pre-treat and heat boxes. Don't get me started on 50-50 blends. That is where DTF shines the most. Blends sports apparel and safety apparel, such as high-vis yellow or orange. You can still use it on 100% cotton and polyester, but that is where you should let the design dictate if you should use it. I have pressed and printed Imaging Spectrum DTF and DTG onto these shirts for you to view. If I were printing DTF in bulk, it would make sense to go with it due to the size of my logo. Chest logos make more sense for DTF as well, because of the size, meaning most customers would not notice if it is not breathable. If a customer needed a chest logo and large back print, you could always mix it up because you can get the same print color quality with DTG and DTF. This method is becoming more common in the printing industry due to the workforce, where businesses like HVAC, plumbers, and other service providers don't want a graphic that will stick to them while working after a few hours. This also cuts prep time down on the company printing the shirt when you only have to pre-treat the back and compress a chest logo once done. Here we have great prints. 2 are DTF and 1 is DTG. These are the questions you should ask yourself. Is this a business or an individual brand? Is this a one-time event shirt or work shirts being worn daily? Picking between the prints is all the customer's preference or yours. We are here to help you with your supplies no matter which one you pick here at Imaging Spectrum. Give us a call today.